everybody, it's Emerald World. I'm going to be opening Moana Legos. How do I open this, Bubby? Ah! Oh my. The Lego fell on the ground. Okay. If you can't stretch like that, come to me and I'll teach you how to stretch like that. Right, Bubby? Aw, it's a cute little whale. What do you want? Oh. So I know Moana.
There's a paper.
What?
There's a paper that shows you how to build it.
Okay, I already know how to build it. Oh, maybe not. Okay, let's see. Okay. You can get all sorts of stuff.
It's telling you what to do.
Okay, I'm doing Moana right now.
Okay, build Moana.
Okay. Ah! I can't put her head on her body. I have to put her head right on her neck.
What's the pig's name?
I don't really know. Piglet? It's cute. I like Moana.
You like Moana?
Yeah, she's a cute girl. Piglet? Is it Piglet?
You don't build it.
I don't know how to build this. Yeah, right. I know where this ladder goes. So which? It doesn't show me where to put the ladder. This is the slide. Oh, so it's slide. Is it this side or this side? She's so mean. Wait, what side is it? One side. Is it this side? You guys doesn't show us the blue ice cream. Okay, look at these. Oh, isn't it so cute? Okay, let's look. Oh, that's so cute. That's adorable. You don't see? Hey, look at those. I built Moana. I don't know. Read the instructions.
Is it Moana?
Yep.
Okay. So as you put that one, take this one.
Okay.
And this one right here.
Okay. But look, I put the ice cream
right in the middle.
right in the middle of here. Right here. I have to do it right here because I can't do it right here. Just have to do it on the side, right?
Here.
See, did you know right here is the middle? But
I can't even do it.
I know, it is hard.
I've been staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know where I cannot go, where I long to be. See the line where the sky meets the sea, it calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know. There's just no telling how far I'll go. I know everybody on this island seems so happy on this island. Everything is by design. I know every Everybody on this island has a role on this island, so maybe I can roll with mine. I can lead with pride, I can make us strong. I'll be satisfied if I play along, but the voice inside sings a different song. What is wrong with me? I am one of Mojuno. You will board my boat.
Bye, everybody. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Peace out.